Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Plan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video we are going to review our today's predictions. Yesterday we made Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for today's market and we are going to review our trades. If you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notifications. Please do like and give your reviews on the comment section. So now we will go to the Nifty and Bank Nifty review. So first we will see what are the predictions we made on today's market. So this is my channel name called the Trading Clan channel. You can open our channel. I invite you all in our channel. Here this is our channel. So here we have a lot of videos we have posted here. Every day we are making Nifty and Bank Nifty as well as in equity trades also we are posting the videos. You can have a look on all those videos so that you can get idea for investment trade as well as for intraday trades as well as Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. So let us open Bank Nifty in our predictions video. So here you can see the Bank Nifty which we was predicted in the downside, and we have given the targets for 1 and 2 as well as but today the market went very well and it's reached our third target also. We have booked a very good profit out of it. So as our team also we have booked some good profits. So this is the predictions we made it on Bank Nifty. So I am expected when the Bank Nifty breaks our support 1, it can go to the target 1, target 2, even target 3 also. So the Bank Nifty went as like our predictions, and we made some good profit out of it. So those things we can see in later. So this is our Nifty predictions. If the Nifty breaks our support line, we can have a very good target of 15,600. That's what our expectation. So this is our conclusion page which we made it on yesterday. So Bank Nifty upside possible and downside possible, as well as Nifty also upside and downside possible. Those things we have clearly mentioned. Now we are going to the real time market. See here, look at the area. The first candle is a break our support line, so we can have a sell trade targets. So once it breaks our support 1, we have taken up our trades, and you can see here it's a very big candle has formed here. See here, this is the first candle which breaks our support line. So we are having very good trade out of it. So once it's break the support line, we have take up our put calls till our support 4 also. The market went very well and we have booked a very good profit. Then later on we can have a very good buying side target also. We have made in buying side targets also, and we have did it on very good profit out of it. So this is the Bank Nifty trades we have fetched today, in both in selling side as well as in the buying side. Both side we have fetched very good profit. Not only me, as our team also we fetched very good profit. We have a WhatsApp group here and we have fetched very decent profit out of it for Bank Nifty. I have invested 15,000, 20,000, and out of it I have fetched 15,000 profit altogether by my Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. So I feel this is a very good trade today. So let's move on to the now this is my Bank Nifty trade. Now we will move on to the Nifty trades. So this is my Nifty predictions. I have made it on yesterday. You could see the video here. If the support line breaks, we can have a very good targets of 15,600. That's what I expected. I have made it off. We have very good profit out of it, and but earlier itself I have closed the target. So anyway, I have booked a very good profit. So now we will move on to the execution window. This is my execution window. You see here, the bottom side I have taken up all put trades in the morning, and later on I can have a buy trades also. So buy trades also I have taken the trades and I have fetched very good profits out of it. So here morning I have taken Nifty and Bank Nifty in the put call trades. Yesterday also I have holded some trades and I have did very good profit out of it. It's reached our target 1, target 2, even target 3 also it's reached. So I have made very good profit out of it. I have taken 3 Bank Nifty trades as well as 2 Nifty trades. So afterwards after the market reached our third support, we are having very good pullback has happened. So we took for buying trade targets also, that I was kept in the top side. Here you can see this buying side targets. So I have taken 4 trades out of it. So all together I have booked some decent profit in buying side also. So overall my profit is 15,500. So I have fetched with the investment of 20,000. I have fetched very good profit of 15,000. That is, I feel very good profit today. So I am happy, my team also happy. So if you want to do trade like this, you can also join with us. I am doing support for Nifty and Bank Nifty trades, so you can also join with our team and you can take up your trades. For tomorrow predictions, the videos will be coming soon. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us.